Come back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix the binding of Isaac, Rebirth, game crashing or crashing at startup, lagging, freezing, stuck on loading, screen not loading, black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the method. First method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics cards. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA named users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If it doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select disable full screen automatizations, hit on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues again and again, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads. After that, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. So this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You'll need to log into Steam again. So confirm it and after that log into Steam using your username and password and after that log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option. After that, search for Windows security. Click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game. So first of all, search for the game over here. The game is listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it. After selecting it, right click on it and then click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once it is done, launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update, click on check for updates. Wait for some time, it will check if there is any update available and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. The website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download. Once you download Visual C++ files, open it and after that click on repair or install option and wait for some time. Once you get set up successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC and once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if your PC have any antivirus software installed, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. This will surely help to resolve the problem. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game. Here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after you add the game to the list, you have to select it. So here is the game. Click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that, try to launch the game and check if you can play it. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the Binding of Isaac Rebirth game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely close the game and remove it from your PC. After that, once you have to restart your PC, for that click on the Windows icon, click on power, and then select restart. So this will restart your PC, and after that again launch Steam and reinstall the Binding of Isaac Rebirth game, and finally click on the play button to check if it's working. So these are few solutions suggested to fix the Binding of Isaac Rebirth game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.